Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So what are we getting? Ethereum. We talked about, again, this third target being lower probability, and we will watch for about the 11,000 instead of 11,007. Got up to 11,002. If you're still waiting, the target is 11,007, but I'm going to pull this off at this point. Came back, rotation zone, rotating nicely back up. So now we're watching for a return at 1102 level. Then we have a cluster between a retracement and a little reverse GAN projection at this 111 to 12. So that's pretty much dead on each other. That's a good place also to raise some stops if you're trailing some stops. Next cluster area is a little wider, 1122 to 1127. Then we're at 1151. So I'd be watching for about 1150 right there. So those are your next levels higher. All those will remain intact. Now what we don't want to happen is, again, a close below the rotation zone, and especially below this GAN cluster at about 1113, 1114, 1115. So that's a very key level. If we do break down below there, we could watch for probably a return to about 982, and if that doesn't hold, about 950. Let's check in on the daily chart to see how everything looks with Ethereum on the daily chart. So back above the flat rotation zone. And you can see this is a clear path that ends right about 1145. So 1145 to 1150 would be a really good place to, again, take some more profits or at least move up a stop on Ethereum. Looking again at NEO, which did again hit all the targets on the double bottom. So those are done, coming back nicely to the rotation zone, rotating back up right now. So we're going to be watching for a return to, first off, about 145. Then if we get above the new defining point on the trend line, which is coming in at 146.49, we'll be watching for 151 37 to 151.86, so right around mid 151 area, 151.50 area. Then if we get through that, at the end of these key candle bodies right in front of us, we have another GAN projection which comes in at 155.97, so essentially 156. Very key on NEO, we don't want to see a close below this 133 level, which would take us below the rotation zone, below the flat, but slightly rising 50 EMA and below a key GAN level. If we do see a close below that, then we'll be watching for a pullback to 127. And then if that doesn't hold, the 120 area. Let's check out on the daily chart of NEO. NEO daily chart, you know, we did get a slight close below the rotation zone, or right on it with nearly this doji, and then now back up. We have the very key support coming in at this 127 level, though, at the bottom of the rotation zone, and the 50% retracement level from this pullback. So those are the key things you'll be watching for. If we do get above that 155.97 area, then watch for the 160, which is the 62.5 retracement and the prior key highs, and that's going to be some pretty major resistance. If we do get above there, then we're back into really bullish mode instead of neutral to bullish mode. So we have for you on NEO and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone shortly. Bye for now.